Are you new to gardening or worried about keeping plants alive? Don't worry, we have you covered. In this video, we're showcasing 10 amazingly resilient plants that thrive with minimal care, making them perfect for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking for low-maintenance greenery, these hardy plants are sure to bring life to your space without the hassle. Let's get started. Snake plant. The snake plant is known for its striking upright leaves and incredible resilience. It thrives on neglect, tolerates low light, and only needs watering once every few weeks. It's perfect for busy households or offices where a bit of greenery is needed. Spider plant. The spider plant. Its cascading leaves make it visually stunning, and it's exceptionally easy to care for. It tolerates a wide range of light conditions and only needs occasional watering. And those baby plantlets? They're great for propagating and sharing with friends. Pothos. The pothos, often called devil's ivy, is one of the most forgiving plants out there. It thrives in low light, can grow in water, and bounces back quickly even after neglect. Its trailing vines make it a stunning addition to any room. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is a favorite for beginners and busy plant owners. With its glossy, dark green leaves, it handles low light and minimal watering effortlessly. It's truly hard to go wrong with this one. Cacti. Cacti are the ultimate low-maintenance plants. These sun lovers need watering just once a month and thrive in bright light. Perfect for those who forget to water their plants or want something ultra-resilient. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is a versatile plant that grows well in water or soil. It thrives in low to indirect light and needs its water changed every couple of weeks to stay healthy. Plus, it's said to bring good luck. Monstera Deliciosa. The Monstera Deliciosa, or Swiss cheese plant, is not just a beauty but also one of the easiest to care for. It thrives in bright, indirect light and can handle a bit of neglect when it comes to watering. Its iconic split leaves make it a showstopper in any space. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant earns its name for being nearly indestructible. It tolerates low light, irregular watering, and a variety of conditions, making it a champion for beginners. This hardy plant is perfect for dark corners or areas where other plants struggle. Rubber plant. The rubber plant is another low-maintenance beauty. It thrives in indirect light and only requires watering when the topsoil dries out. Its glossy leaves add a touch of elegance to any room. Plus, it's known to improve indoor air quality. Jade plant. The jade plant is a classic succulent that's easy to care for. It thrives in bright, indirect light and stores water in its thick leaves, so you only need to water it occasionally. It's a great option for sunny windowsills or desks. These 10 plants are perfect for beginners or anyone who wants low-maintenance greenery in their space. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening inspiration.